What are we making?
All this?
Yeah, but are we making brownies?
Yeah, brownies.
Brownies?
Yeah. This
So what all do we need?
and
We need
this
brownie mix,
with
oil,
oil,
eggs,
egg,
water,
water,
mixing bowl,
mixing bowl,
and a mixing spoon.
and a mixing spoon. And come on.
Yeah, cut these open,
Okay.
but I need to do it because they're scissors, okay?
Brownie.
Yeah.
Brownie.
Okay, now
What's
dump them in there.
all?
Yeah, all of it.
And this,
Yep, now that one.
now this one, and here. It's all.
Yeah.
Ooh.
Yeah, you need to do the eggs.
With you?
Yep, crack them in there.
And now?
Yeah.
Now I want.
Yes. On a help with it, you just put some in here. Okay, now put the. Nope, more, a little bit more. More. Okay, that's good. Now put this down. Now put that in there.
That is too much.
No, it's not too much. Now we need the oil. Now dump that in.
That's too much.
Now you mix it, but you gotta mix it slow because it's pretty full. Be careful with it.
You make it brownies. I want brownies.
You want help?
Yes. Daddy, I have cockroach.
Hold on back.
Yummy cockroach. Here.
What are you making?
Brownies.
Do you think it's mixed good enough?
No.
A little bit more?
That. Yeah.
We need this baking pan. Hold on. Now, dump this in here. Yep.
This.
All of it in here.
Dump it out.
Dump it in the baking pan.
I have it in the donut.
Yep.
Ooh, yummy.
Now we gotta bake it.
Everybody clean up. Egg is here. 2 eggs in here. Clean up. This is here. And this in here.
What are we doing?
Clean up.
We're cleaning up.
Yeah. A cup of water in here.
In here, in the bowl.
In a bowl.
Yeah, just put everything in the bowl and then we can get rid of it.
Ooh, yay. And this is here.
Yeah. Now the mixing spoon.
It's really dirty. So I we feel we dirty so ew.
Now the tissue.
Now tissue in here.
Good girl.
Eat
Can
all
you
of
pick the
that.
pan up?
What?
Pick the pan up. Show everybody. See, this is my brownies.
That's my brownie. Oh no, what happened?
Yeah, it's okay.
We know.
You cleaning the table?
Yeah. Oh, chocolate. We eat this. Yummy. God.
Are you good at cleaning? Do you think it's clean yet?
Put this in the other gloves.
Now grab the pan.
Now this. How? 5 minutes.
Bake
Bake
for 55 minutes.
minutes.
Then let it cool.
Cool.
And then it's done.
It's done. Again.